Many sensors can measure part dimensions, but what good are pixel values in a metric world? SensoPart provides results in centimeters or millimeters, accurate, comprehensible, with no need for complicated calculations. Many are capable of programming robots to determine part positions. It's just that it takes time. A lot of time. SensoPart cameras output a part position in robot coordinates. The unit of measurement is irrelevant, as our camera is taught by the robot. The robot shows the part, the camera sees it, it's as simple as that. Perspective image distortions, lens distortions, coordinate conversion, Z offset. No problem, the VISOR knows exactly what to do. And also enables gripper correction, free space check for gripper. One-click calibration thanks to an automated procedure via a simple robot interface. SensoPart. We make sure sensors and robots speak the same language.